Hey guys, welcome back to 5-Star Lawn Care Channel. I'm excited today to bring to you Greenworks Tools lineup of tools. Here we got the brand new Hedge trimmer with the 80-volt lithium rechargeable battery system with the light indicator batteries. This thing is just awesome. So we are actually in the process of switching over 5-Star Lawn Care, my company, to go more towards these lithium powered tools, these electrical tools. And, you know, instead of what we would normally use, such as these steel hedge trimmers, this is what we would normally use, you know, 50 to 1, you know, 2-cycle gas powered tools. And you know, just narrowing down to the hedge trimmer today, that's what we would normally use on most applications. And this Greenworks tool, we basically partner with Greenworks Tools, and we're going to be bringing more of these videos, more of our thoughts and you know, our impressions on how these tools actually compete with gas-powered tools. Because if you're anything like me, you love, you know, to have something that has some power, that can do some work. And up until now, lithium technology had the biggest issue has been the longevity of the battery. And now the technology is at a place to where Greenworks Tools makes such a quality product that they actually give you a 4-year warranty with each battery. Free replacement if there is any issue with it holding a charge or causing any issues. 4 years free replacement. I even know of a gentleman that he had broke his tool. It was his fault, and he said he needed a new piece, and they sent him a whole nother unit for free. Great company to do business with. But anyways, back to the tool. I want to show you around the tool. Let's check it out, see what it looks like. How are the controls? Is it, you know, is it comfortable? You know, let's take a look at that real quick. The blades are super sharp. It's an easy on-off. You just hit the on button there. Of course, it helps when you have a battery in it. See? All you got to do, put that in there. This allows you to check your, basically, this gives you the amount of full. If it's, if you see 3 green lights, it means it has at least 75% to 100% charge. If you see just this light, it means it's got 50% or more. And if you see this light, it means it has 30% or less, or 30 to 50% or something to that effect. That's how their little system works. By checking it, you can check it right there to see how much you got. So, cool feature is this jam feature that I really like. Basically, you turn it on, and of course, it's got a. Now this pivots as well. So if you're doing like a long row of hedges or something to that effect, and you need it flipped up a certain way, that's great. I've had that on some of my other previous gas-powered hedge trimmers. It's very nice if you do this on a commercial scale, for the sake of just working with it all day. And then this feature right here, basically you just push these in. It does have a variable trigger that you can control the speed, but this is, it gets up to speed very quick. Variable speed trigger there. If you get in a bind, you get in a jam, what you do is you hit this button right here, and then you pull the trigger. It does that deal. You let off the trigger, and you pull it again, and you're ready to go. So these are great. I can't wait to get these out in the field and try them out. I'm sure they're going to be awesome. We're probably going to be replacing a lot of our equipment now with this, and even looking for a way to make it where we can solar charge in the field. But anyways, so if we really like these, it's going to be replacing what we run for just the smaller bushes, just these stills right here. And then also soon going to be getting the extended hedge trimmers. Also plan on getting the chainsaw, so keep an eye out for that review. of the tool. And yeah, so this is a company that I would highly recommend. Their customer service has been absolutely excellent. You can basically get every tool you need on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where I got mine. I got it right there on Amazon, this kit, and then also I'll list the specs of the tool as well. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Go ahead and give these guys a try. They have a 40-volt line, a 60-volt line, and an 80-volt Pro line. Of course, I'm a firm believer that you spend the money for good quality equipment, and it's gonna last, and it's just gonna be a better buy over the long term. But anyways, I went with the 80-volt system, and so far, proud I did. And we'll see how the guys like it as well out in the field. There you have it. That is the Greenworks Pro 26-inch hedge trimmer from Greenworks. Guys, when it comes to outdoor power equipment, I put emphasis on power. And for homeowners like yourself, maybe you're a business owner like me, I mean, we take on jobs that are big and small around the yard, in our work, what we do, and we need quality construction in our tools. We need long-lasting, peak performance, power that doesn't fade, as we're using the tool. And the Greenworks Pro 80-volt family of tools meets this challenge with a universal battery system that works across multiple products. Guys, you get the batteries, and they work in over 25 plus Pro tools, the largest, in the world, as far as I understand, from Greenworks. Guys, awesome company. Basically all adds up to a full modern and quality made line of outdoor power equipment with plenty of power to tackle those tough jobs that you need to get done, that you don't want to spend all day on. You can get back to your weekend. And as far as the charging times, every amp hour is about 15 minutes to charge, and they go up to 5 amp hour on their 80-volt battery line. Also, you get the brushless motor, of course, provides more torque and longer tool life. So quality equipment here. And then also you're going to get the, with this kit and this hedge trimmer, the Magnesium gearbox for extended use and maximum durability. And also you're going to get a 3/4 inch cut capacity, which is pretty much can handle any bush job you throw at it. Another cool thing is the 5-position rotating rear handle. It's super comfortable to use no matter what you're using it for. And of course the easy push start, super simple. Just hit the on button with the battery engaged and you're ready to trim. And the laser cut blades are super sharp to get the job quick and efficiently done and limit issues with the plant. And also, of course, go ahead and I would recommend doubling up on the battery. I got another 4 amp hour battery. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. So you can, if one battery runs out, you got continuous run time on and on. You can keep going. Of course, you got fade-free power, which is great with these batteries. And also, of course, compared to gas, it's easy. I mean, there's no maintenance, no mixing, no gas. It's, it's on or off. You don't have to deal with the carburetor having issues in the wintertime when you go to start it up and all that garbage that comes with running 2-cycle equipment. So it's just super easy. Check these guys out. I think you'll really like this lineup of tools by Greenworks, as I do. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, let me know what other tools you want to see reviewed, what questions you have about these tools, and what's your favorite Greenworks tool if you already use them, and what do you like about them. Please leave it in the comments. Help somebody else out. That will be awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome videos to come with all your property maintenance needs and how to get a 5-star lawn. We'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys.